Most personal trainers will have you diet and bang out one more, talk about mindset. They may be important, but what good is that going to do when it's going to be a vicious cycle where you kind of find yourself back to square one, like after you've gotten their help? Have they actually gone at the root of it, like the seeds that have been like planted for so many years? Where it doesn't really start from you. This goes back many years because our problems are now economic issues. And so that, whether it be the back pain, our diet choices, meal choices, and knowing that that what we used to be able to do, like in solving that, is no longer going to be relevant now. So this really comes down to how we train, to how we eat, to really how we wind down before we go to bed, which is why I've coined the phrase "stop death by desk." Because for that 3 weeks that you were being sedentary, working, trying to get that project, you've now done what's equivalent to aging 30 years. And so that's from hypertension to cardiovascular diseases. So understanding that I want to go at the root while others want to go at the symptoms. You choose.